11 Moharanipur Constitution ni Sharda Karkari Bishite is Shardak Karkari Bishini Boro Rok by leaders Rok by Te Amsani Luku Rok by Malay Koglam Salaika Kami Amsayo Tamo Jung Jalotong Abunatui Abun Yagulo Mungkuri para school visit Klaika Public Saman Yagulo school Hamya Ungjaka Hane Shama Bagai Tangi Naika Borongbona MDC Utpol Deborma 29 Krishnapur Block President Mohandra Deborma 28 Telemora Block President Amor Jomatia Te Kupuni Adang Rokbo Manjaka Bureau Report Nogba TV
Isoto korwe ang mukha bilis loma kayo aming
dapat naman ikaw kaisa urupi ni dia ko mat abo kai pen abo no
ani sudah ni borok mana estimate
repairing nang ade abisi ni thari makana hala ko ma se kar ya
tamo sini extensive tour program norgui sing kini hain hai kaini bisio visit haida abongka sodu karkari te I sodu karkari aja leaders of the mala laika in fact project secretary of mala laika ada ni problems especially tuina tui lama no tui karen no tui and school no tui sing salaija sing bebak apno list tu ka note pai laika accordingly sing discuss pai nian uskan ni haino dm ro bai jokhon mala layo sing boro bai salai lai te action plan ro danai and naini sing tamu klaiman mo am che ko nairi ang to within 24 hours tabra jamari ro project proposal ro in fact baksa to already pipeline se tongo so klaya bu government ya fausi sing just pressure create camera so proposal ro mano but yes just sik project samungi asak ang borno chigi tongnai ang borno jalogi tongnai